Good morning and welcome to another in the series of For the People. My name is Alicia Kato and today we're going to talk about how to apply for NHT home loan. The NHT them have two main type of loan. Them have one for people who have house already but just want bill panic. But they have another one. That the one for people who never in them life own one house. So, you ever sit down and think about how all them people upon the hill, how them have them big house, how them get it? Or how them people in a nice build up community, how them get them house from NHT? Well, if you are one of them somebody there and you want to get a loan from NHT, this is what you have to do. You have to be between the ages of 18 and 65 years old. When you must work, whether for yourself or for somebody else in a them company. You have to give 2 or 3% to the NHT amount time out of your pay. You have to also give donation for 1 year, and that's a 52 week. You see, 13 out of them 52 week there, you pay in the last 26 week them, just before the application date. You see, also before you go apply for the mortgage, you have to make sure say you can show the NHT people them, say they work for the last 3 years them. Along with this, make sure you pay all the money on the NHT people them. Uncle people who work $7,500 for them pay, I will get for the donation for only 1 year. So all the people who work, you must get less than the standard amount of money for no pay, as a white say in a Jamaican law, in order for you to apply. So after you fill out all of the form them and do all the necessary paperwork them, you have to go down to the NHT office for your question and answer session. You see for that part now, you have to carry some other document. Document like on the TRN number, on the NIS card, on the passport, or birth paper for show proof on the age. On also if you carry on the last 2 payslip them for show say on our work. If you still want more information apart from everything I just tell you, you need to call NHT head office. The number is 929-650029. Or you can go on the internet on the NHT page www.nht.gov.jm. Thank you for the time. My name is Alicia Kato. Have a good day.